Welcome back to 100 Programs in C series. In the previous videos, we explored function with no parameters and no return value and function with parameters and no return value. Today, let's move to functions without parameters with return value. That means function will not take any input, but it returns a value. Let us see the first program. Our first program is the simplest one, the function which reads a number and then returns the number to the main. Let us trace this program. What is happening here? The first statement, x is equal to get number. Here we are calling the function get number. So after first statement gets executed, it goes to the get number function. In the get number function, the first statement a, int n, b, enter the number. So it prints the statement enter the number. Now example, if user enters the number 10, that is n is equal to 10, then D statement return 10. Now what is happening? The n value that you are giving inside the get number function is returned to the main function and assigned to the variable x. So now in the main function, x value will be updated to 10 since you are returning 10 value. Second statement, you entered printing the x value. What is the x value right now? It is 10. 10 will be printed and return 0. So since we mentioned return type as integer, we are returning 0. Otherwise that is not required. The next program we are going to see function without parameters and with return value. Program to return maximum of 3 numbers. Here you observe in main function we are not taking any input from the user. Instead, inside the main maximum of 3 function we are taking 3 values from the user and then we are calculating maximum number and we are returning that to the main function back. Let us trace the program. In main function, int m is equal to max of 3. That means the value that the value from the max of 3 function will be returned to m. So when you are calling this function, the first statement int a b c, b statement enter 3 digits. Let us consider 4, 5, 7 are the values that you are given as the input. That means a value is equal to 4, b value is equal to 5, c value is equal to 7. Here max is equal to a, that is we are assuming the max value is a, which is 4. E statement, what if b greater than max? B value is 5, max value is 4, whether 5 is greater than 4. 5 is greater than 4 is a correct statement, so max is equal to b. So what is the b value? B value is 5, max will be updated to 5. Next, looking at the f statement. F number statement is c, 7 greater than max. Max value is 5. The condition is true. Now max is updated to c. So 5 is replaced by 7. And G statement return max. Maximum is 7. So 7 is returned to m. You look at the second statement, it come back to the main function from here because it is returning a value here. Maximum is equal to m value. What is the m value? M value is 7. 7 is printed. And third statement return 0. So 0 will be returned since it is int main. Let us see one more example. Function without parameters and with return value. We are going to see a program that return sum of digits of a number. It means if you are giving input as 1, 1, 1, the output will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So let us trace the program without wasting much time. Int main result is equal to sum of digits. So we are calling the function sum of digits here. So from here program explore the sum of digits function. N is equal to, consider like we are giving the input as 1, 2, 3. After the third statement, n is equal to 1, 2, 3 is the input that you are giving from the user. Next, D statement, if 1, 2, 3 is less than 0, the condition is failed. This condition is written exclusively if any user gives minus 11 as the input. In such conditions, we are converting that minus 11 to positive 11. So D statement, the condition failed, 1 2 3 is less than 0 is not true. Then E statement, sum is equal to 0. Initially we are assuming some value is 0. Coming to the while loop, n value 1 2 3 is greater than 0. The condition is true. Since the condition is true, sum is equal to 0 plus 1 2 3 modulo 10. So 1 2 3 modulo 10, 1 2 3 modulo 10 is, this is 12's 120, 3 is the remainder. So now what happens? Some value is updated to 3. Next, n is equal to 1 2 3 divided by 10. If you divided by 1 2 3, whatever the quotient is there, 12. So n value is updated to 12. Next, from here, while n is greater than 0. What is the n value currently? N value is 12. 12 greater than 0, condition is true. Sum is equal to sum plus, what is the sum value? Sum value is updated to 3, we know that. 3 plus n modulo 10. N value is already updated to 12, so 12 modulo 10. What is happening here? Now, once 10, 2 is the remainder, 1 is the quotient. You know modulo operator returns the remainder, so remainder 2. So sum is equal to 3 plus 2, that is updated to 5. Now sum value is 5. N is equal to 12 divided by 10. When you do 12 divided by 10, the quotient you get is 1. So n value is updated to 1. While next statement is, since we are running in the loop, n greater than 0. Currently n value is 1. 1 greater than 0. Sum is equal to sum plus, currently sum value is 5. 5 plus n modulo 10. Currently n value is 1. So 1 modulo 10. 1 modulo 10, if you see, the remainder will be 1, quotient will be 0. So this returns the value 1. 5 plus 1, some value is updated to 6. N is equal to 1 divided by 10 and the quotient is 0. So n value is updated to 0. Why? N greater than 0. What is the n value currently? 0. Greater than 0, the condition fails. After the condition fails, G and H statement will not execute. It comes out of the loop and goes to the I statement, return sum. Currently the sum value is 6. So we are returning 6 to result. So result value is 6. Print sum of digits is equal to, so we are trying to print the result. The result value is 6. It prints 6 as the output. Return 0. So here we have mentioned int main. So the return type as int. So we are returning value 0. So if you observe here, we are not passing any parameters here. We are not giving any parameters here, but sum of digit function is returning a value to the main function. Let us see the last program for the function without parameters and with return value. This is the program to return a reverse of a number. If your input is 1 4 2, the output should be 2 4 1. Let us understand the logic. In this program, total we are using n, reverse and digit. So to track the numbers, how it is getting updated, I will display it separately, n value, digit value and reverse. Let us trace the program. So the first statement, r is equal to reverse number. So we are calling the function reverse number here. The first statement, that is a, int n, reverse is equal to 0. Enter an integer. C statement, scanf, the user has given the input 1 2 3. So n value is updated to 1 2 3. D statement, n not equal to 0. Currently the n value is 1 2 3. 1 2 3 not equal to 0, condition is correct. Digit is equal to n modulo 10. N value is 1 2 3. 1 2 3 modulo 10. That means when we divide 1 2 3 with the 10, the remainder you get is 3, quotient you get is 12. Here digit is remainder 3. Reverse is equal to reverse multiple by 10 plus digit. Currently reverse value is 0. 0 multiplied by 10, 0 plus 3. The reverse value is updated to 3. N is equal to 123 divided by 10. The quotient value is 12. 12 is updated to n value. We are in the loop while n not equal to 10. Currently n value is 12. 12 not equal to 0. Condition is true. Digit is equal to 12 modulo 10. When we divide 12 by 10, we get remainder 2, quotient 1. So digit value is updated to 2. Reverse is equal to reverse multiple by 10. Currently reverse value is 3. 3 multiplied by 10, 30 plus digit value. Digit value currently it is 2. So reverse value is updated to 32. Next, n is equal to 12 divided by 10. The quotient that you are having is 1. N value is updated to 1. While n is not equal to 0. Condition is true. Digit is equal to 1 divided by 10. When you divided it by 1, the remainder will be 1. Quotient will be 0. Digit value is updated to 1. If you observe here, reverse is equal to reverse multiple by 10. Currently reverse value is 32. 32 plus 10, 320 plus 1, that is digit number, that is 321. Reverse value is updated to 321. N is equal to 1 by 10. The remainder is, the quotient is 0. N value is updated to 0. From here, if you check while loop, 0 not equal to 0, the condition failed. Return reverse. The reverse value is updated to 321. 321 number is returned to the R value, that is in the main function. Reverse number R. What is the current R value? 321. 321 will be printed, return 0. I hope you understood functions without parameters and with return value with these 4 examples. Next, we will explore function with parameters and with values, with return values in the next video. Thank you. Stay tuned.